If you want to change, you can change in a second. If you don't want to change, your whole life you can carry on and you won't change. Changing is in your control, nobody else's. जे बदलना चाहे तू बदल, बोलो प्यारे बदल सकदा है। जे तू बदलना चाहे, जे तू बदलना चाहे, एक शब्द तेनू चेंज कर देगा। महाराज says in गुरबाणी, एक शब्द हर मन बस्त नानक होत निहाल। निहाल means enraptured. निहाल निहाल निहाल। One shabd resides within you, you can be nihal. But who has to listen? We do. Who has to sit? We do. And when the kirpa happens from the Guru is already there, you listen, you implement, and Maharaj says, Manu samjhaun vaste, man samjhavan karane, kachuk, badiya, gyan. Can the little bit can change your life?